Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to log in your Facebook using your Instagram account. So for this guys, you can try the easy and simple method. So this method I'm going to show you in my smartphone. Just open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your Instagram profile section like this and go to settings and privacy. Okay, in the settings and privacy, here you can get the account center option. Just tap and open it, and here you can get this type of interface. If you have already logged in your Facebook account with Instagram, so here you can get this detail about your Facebook and Instagram account. As you can see guys, I have already logged in case if you don't logged in, just you can try the method, this method. Here you can get the option logging in with accounts. Just tap on it, and here you need to select choose which account can log into other account. This option you need to select, and here you can get your Facebook account. Just select your Facebook account, and then here you can easily able to log in your Facebook account using your Instagram. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.